Hello, I'm Stephen Edwards, Switching Product Manager for Pickering Interfaces, and I'm here to introduce you to a new testing protocol, 1000Base-T1, that has been added to our fault insertion module range. Networking computers using the Ethernet standard has been the norm since 1980. The ability to share data across the room or around the world has made research and business so much more efficient. This is now true within the automobile. Active safety features need to communicate between multiple ECUs to protect the automobile and its passengers. This includes deterministic serial buses like FlexRay, and now the world networking standard Ethernet is becoming the dominant standard of the data backbone of vehicles. It is important that any ECU test strategy includes fault insertion to determine the ECU's response to both known good and bad situations. This is why we introduced the 40/42-203 and 204 modules, the 40 series being PXI format and the 42 series PXIe. The -203 models have a typical differential bandwidth of 1.6 GHz and are available with 3 or 6 two-wire channels, while the -204 modules have 700 MHz bandwidth and come with 1 or 2 channels. All modules are transmission line impedance matched for maximum signal integrity and can switch up to 200 volts and 0.8 amps. The -204 model provides a unique new feature in the Pickering fault insertion range with the ability to route the differential pairs to and from external test equipment. The 2 fault buses provided on every module can simulate open and shorted cables, shorts to battery plus and ground, or to other channels. These modules can test standard Ethernet and automotive Ethernet applications, as well as many other high-speed serial buses. For more information, please visit pickeringtest.com. Thank you for your time.